Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use your Avios points on Qatar Airways. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. If you want to redeem your Avios for standard flights, just head over to the official Qatar Airways website or open their mobile app. Once you are on the home screen, choose the option to book a flight. Just head over to the official Qatar Airways page, enter your departure city, destination, departure date, and return date. After filling out the details, hit Search Flights. A list of available slides will appear at the top or side of the search results. Look for the option to toggle pricing from cash to Avios. Once you switch it, all flight prices will be displayed in Avios points instead of currency. For example, you might see economy class flights for 7,000 Avios and first class options for 21,000. Pick the one that suits your travel plans. When you select a flight, a confirmation message will show up with your departure details and the total avios needed. You can then move forward with booking. In my case, I didn't have enough avios to complete this example booking, but if you do, you will be able to proceed without any issues. And that's it. That's how you can redeem your avios for flights on Qatar Airways. Thank you.